Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the molecule. This is a Fischer projection of a compound with two stereocenters, C2 bears Q up, H left, Br right, and C3 down. C3 bears C2 up, H left, Cn right, and O down. Moving on to the next step. Assign priorities at C2. Substituents at C2 Br, atomic number 35, Q, C with 2 O phantom, C3 chain, C with O, N, H, priority order, Br, 1, Q, 2, C3, chain bearing O and Cn, 3, H, 4. In Fischer projection, horizontal bonds point toward viewer, vertical bonds away. At C2, Br is on the right, toward viewer, H is on the left, toward viewer, Q is up, away, C3 is down, away. Arranging 1 to 3, Br Q C3 chain in the Fischer projection, looking from the front plane, Br is right, Q is top back, C3 is bottom back. The lowest priority H is on the left, toward viewer. To determine RS, we look at 1 to 3 with H toward us, not away. When the lowest priority is pointing toward the viewer, we reverse the observed rotation. In Fischer projection at C2, going from Br, right, Q up, C3, down right up down is clockwise, R, but since H is horizontal, toward viewer, we reverse, giving S. Let me redo carefully. In a Fischer projection, horizontal substituents point toward viewer, vertical substituents point away. At C2, H, left, toward viewer, Br, right, toward viewer, Q up, away from viewer, C3, down, away from viewer. Lowest priority is H is toward the viewer. We read 1 to 3 and then reverse. Priorities, 1 is equal to Br, 2 is equal to Q, 3 is equal to C3 chain with O, Cn, 4 is equal to H reading Br Q C3, Br is at right, Q is at top, C3 is at bottom. Right of bottom, this is counterclockwise, CCW is equal to S direction. Since H is toward viewer, we reverse, S reversed is equal to R. So C2 is equal to R. Moving on to the next step. Assign priorities at C3. Substituents at C3, O, bottom, away from viewer in Fischer, Cn, right, toward viewer, H, left, toward viewer, C2 chain, up, away from viewer. Priority order, O directly attached, highest among O, N, C, H is equal to 1, Cn, N attached is equal to 2, C2 chain, C with Br, Q, H is equal to 3, H is equal to 4. Lowest priority H is toward viewer, left, horizontal. Reading of CnC2, O is at bottom, away, Cn is at right, toward, C2 is at top, away. Bottom right top, this is clockwise, CW is equal to R direction. Since H is toward viewer, reverse, R reversed is equal to S. Wait, let me reconsider priority at C3. C2 chain has Br, 35, which is very high. Compare C2 chain versus Cn, C2 carbon attached to Br, 35, Q carbon, H, Cn carbon attached to N, 7, N, 7, phantom. So C2 chain Cn because Br, N at first point of difference. Revised priorities at C3, 1 is equal to O, 2 is equal to C2 chain, has Br, 3 is equal to Cn, 4 is equal to H reading of C2 chain Cn, or his bottom, C2 chain is top, Cn is right. Bottom top right, counterclockwise is equal to S, H is toward viewer, reverse, S reversed is equal to R. So C3 is equal to R. And for the final step, result is 2, R, 3, R, which corresponds to answer B. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.